guys, welcome back. Jack on Tracks, another episode of the Back Shop. Alright, so what we got here is my trusty old Accurail Erie Lackawanna Boxcar. This is actually probably one of my other favorite paint schemes. I just like it. It's so clean looking. The gray with the lettering, it just looks good. Even I've seen some of these where they actually have this is in yellow, and it looks really sharp. I wouldn't mind having a train full of those. So what we got here is bouncing around, going to a show. It broke the coupler pocket. Now the problem is back in the day, I was a glue monster, and I glued these plastic screws in place. So I have to figure out how to get around that. But I'm gonna pop these trucks off. These were you guys see any Accurail cars on the auction block? Kits, decent price. Buy them. They're really nice. They're higher end than the blue box, but they're not crazy high end. But they're nice simple kits to put together. So I'm thinking I'm going to file through this glue, and we'll give it a shot. We'll fast forward to this. Glue, and you actually look at this. These screwed in. You can actually see, kind of just by design, it cracks the plastic a little bit. So let's where did my screwdriver just go? I just had the screwdriver. Give me a second. I'll be right back. I had the screwdriver. I don't know where it went. All right, guys, we're back. Ooh, you ever can't find something that's right in front of your face? Yep. I'm getting older. I'm losing what's left of my mind. I'll change that coupler, but I don't think I'm going to be able to. Alright, so this is a Kadee drill and tap set. These are worth having, because you never know when you're going to be in the situation that I'm in. So what I need to do is first thing I need to do is I need to flatten this up a little bit. All right. I'm going to pull out the big guns because I want to make sure I get this right. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to take this brand new number 11, and I'm going to try to find what I feel is center. So I'm going to drill a pilot hole here. And even better, it unscrewed. Awesome sauce. Alright, so that saves me a big hassle and aggravation. So what they say to do is, alright, that fits the bigger one in there. Is this the bigger one? No, that's the bigger one. So that's cleaned up. Alright. Alright. That's pretty cut up. Alright, so this is going to be a quicker video than we thought. Not really, because I'm going to try to get this one off next. So before we put all the toys away, 11. I'm making the determination that we are changing this coupler no matter what. So come in here, try cleaning off this glue. If I remember correctly, one of the guys in the club I used to be in said, oh yeah, you gotta, oh look at this coming right off like butter. You gotta put a little dab of glue in so they don't loosen up. So that's probably what I did. I will not do it again. All right. Now my next problem is I'm missing that little box. But these Kadee number 5s, hoping this is a full set, or at least 2 couplers in here. Oh, it looks like a full set. Alright, so we can use this draft box cover, modify it, what we need it for. Pretty sure I've done this once before. The only issue I'm having is I need to find some screws. Pretty sure I have a box of them. It fits on there like that. All right. Just give me 1 second. I'll be right back with those screws. Hey guys, welcome back. And we got the screws that we needed, the proper size this time. And I got the proper kit for screwing and tapping the holes. Now, what everyone's telling me, you really got to run the tap down these holes, keep them from flaring out. Oh, that actually going in pretty nice. All right. Yeah, I see what they're saying. That actually, yeah, that cleaned up that hole pretty nice. Now, I got 1/4-inch screws. I got the 1/4-inch screws. Probably too long. But, rather be too long than too short. I can always cut those down. That actually worked out very nice. I'm very happy with that. I'm glad I made the decision and going bigger. All right, so I didn't have to screw that up. And we have a cat that just wants to come and sit on this table today, no matter what. All right, Catzilla. Oh, you got to stay down here because I'm playing with small stuff. And I don't feel like chasing stuff all over this table. All right. I know you love Daddy. I know it. Daddy is not in the mood for you today. You can annoy Daddy all you want. There is no cat food. Mommy's picking it up today. Go. Be feral somewhere else. All right, so we got that. All right, we're right back. I'm gonna have to go kill this cat. All right, so here we are back at it again. -1 furry monster. We'll probably come back in about 2 seconds because she knows I'm sitting down here trying to get stuff done. All right. So how these go. Yeah, we're gonna have a bunch of car repairs coming up on the back shop. I got a whole train load of Bachmann Spectrum heavyweights that have developed the dreaded wobbly coupler. So I got to figure out how to do that. And get them back in shape for shows for this year. I'm making this look really difficult. That's because it's me. You ever have one of those moments where you just want to take something and just chuck it across the room? So that's that. These are a little bit too long. But yeah, that's it. Fixed. Remember, wear safety glasses. Safety is no accident. If I remember correctly, pushing those pins down flat with the okay, so well, that's the one thing, man. These Accurail models, these things were I mean, this weight is pretty heavy compared to other brands. So I'm not predicting having too much problem with these. You saw a couple of other of my videos having some problems with a lot of other cars, especially the Atherns, which were usually bulletproof, but for some reason they're not cooperating. So we're going to glue this back down. This is medium CA. Come on. The only problem I'm having with a lot of my CAs is friggin' lids are, these tops are been stuck. So, go with the old skewer method. little kicker really will set this off. Apparently I broke off the brake wheel, but we'll have to do that another day because I don't have one in stock. This is a nicely weighted out model. So that's basically how you repair a broken coupler pin. Yeah, you know, a good idea to have this stuff in stock, because have these around, because if you got trans, sooner or later you're gonna need to use it. But yeah, that's that. Thanks for watching Jack on Tracks. Like and subscribe. Hit that notification button and really hit that subscribe button, guys. I got a lot of guys watching and my numbers are going up, but you're not subscribing. So hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of this stuff, or you just like hearing me jabber, or you just want to see me fail epically. So one way or the other, you're going to get to see all that sooner or later. All right. Once again, thanks for watching. And as always, catch you later.